Welcome to the video. Today, we are diving into a common problem faced by many when using Matplotlib in jupyter-notebook in VS Code. The issue revolves around the Z label of a 3D plot being cut off. To illustrate this problem, we utilized example code from the official Matplotlib documentation and attempted to generate a 3D plot. However, despite our efforts, the Z label continued to be partially hidden, impacting the overall visualization. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. By incorporating the code snippet provided, we were able to address the Z label cutoff issue effectively. The key lies in utilizing the ax.set_box_aspect none zoom equals 0.85 function to set the zoom aspect of the plot. This adjustment ensures that the 3D plot is displayed correctly, with all labels visible and the data accurately represented. With this solution in place, the Z label no longer gets truncated, resulting in a more polished and informative visualization. In summary, we tackled a common problem in Matplotlib where the Z label of a 3D plot was being cut off. By implementing the solution involving the ax_set_box_aspect function, we were able to resolve this issue and create a visually appealing 3D plot with all labels intact. I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Until next time, happy coding!